In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Odysseus. Once you've finished installing Odysseus, the first thing you'll do is open it in your browser using your local address, then sign in with your admin account. This is your starting point for the full setup, and from here, you'll be able to connect the tools that make Odysseus useful. Before Odysseus can answer questions, it needs access to an AI model. So the next step is to connect a model provider. Head into Settings, then Models, and choose Add Provider. From there, you can connect the AI model you want to use. Common options include Ollama if you want a local and free setup, or cloud providers like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or OpenRouter. Choose the option that best fits your workflow, then complete the connection so Odysseus has a model ready to power your chats. Once your model is connected, you're ready to start your first conversation. Click New Chat and begin by asking a simple question. For example, you could ask it to summarize an article, create a content calendar for your business, or write a social media post. Odysseus works in a very familiar way, similar to other AI chat tools, but it also gives you deeper integrations with files, tools, and agents, which makes it much more powerful for real work. Next, you can upload documents to give Odysseus more context. It supports files like PDFs, Word documents, text files, and notes. After uploading a file, you can ask it to summarize the document, pull out the key points, or turn the content into a presentation outline. This is especially helpful when you want the AI to work directly from your own materials instead of responding with only general knowledge. Another powerful feature is deep research. Here, you can provide sources such as URLs, PDFs, notes, and documents, then ask Odysseus to compare competitors, research a market, or create a business report using those materials. Odysseus can organize the information into structured outputs and include source references, which makes the results more useful for analysis and reporting. You can also use agents to handle multi-step tasks. For example, you might ask an agent to research trends and create a report, analyze uploaded files, and generate action items, or create social media content from a document. Agents are designed for more advanced workflows because they can use tools, memory, and files together to complete more complex jobs. Finally, you can save notes and memory inside Odysseus. This can include project notes, business information, instructions, and research findings. Saving this information helps Odysseus keep context across conversations and projects, so your work becomes more consistent and efficient over time. That's the basic setup, and once these features are in place, you're ready to start using Odysseus effectively.